Thanksgiving is a time to recognize all we have to be grateful for in our lives: health, security, quality time with family and friends, just to name a few. But how about retirement? Whether you're already retired or just planning for retirement, Pure Financial Advisors has a course you may want to add to your gratitude list. Retirement planning can be complicated and overwhelming, but with our easy-to-follow, step-by-step course geared towards individuals and couples between 45 and 64 that is taught by an experienced financial planner in a live open forum, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence needed to build a successful retirement path. From the basics of building a solid foundation that will withstand the ups and downs of the economy and life events, to the more complex details of creating retirement income and tax preparation, we cover it all. If you feel like you've neglected some of your estate planning, or are you worried about running out of money by the end of your retirement? Or maybe your portfolio has taken a big hit this year, like a lot of us, and it's time to reevaluate your game plan. Get your questions answered. Whether you're relying on a pension, an annuity, an IRA, a 401k, or just counting on your Social Security, you will find this workshop crucial to determining your next move. So for more information, dates, and locations, please visit our website at purefinancial.com or call us at 866-876-7873. Give yourself something more to be thankful for this year: a retirement well planned.